Hi, I'm Laura Castricone and I'm a respiratory therapist and I work for HPFY. Today I'm here to talk to you about a product called the Bongo. It's made by a company called AirAvant, and actually what they are is nasal resistors that you can put into your nostrils and use in place of a CPAP machine. They're made for people who have moderate to mild sleep apnea. We have on our website our starter kit, which comes with small, medium, and large resistors so you can test them to see which size you might need. How they work is when you're able to breathe in normally, but when you go to exhale, you meet a resistance on exhalation, which is the same phenomenon that happens with CPAP, and it causes your airway to stay open. So if you need something in lieu of your CPAP, especially now when it's hard to find CPAP machines because of the recall from Philips, you might want to try using the Bongo. They are a prescribed item, so you will ask your physician if they are appropriate for you.